Well, you know this is making me happy. I'm supposed to be filling out my application. Oh my gosh! I gotta see if I have my carrots. Hey, buddy. Oh shit, I do. Oh my god! Aw, there's a baby one. Oh, shit. Hey, mister. Hi, look. OMG. Come here, look. Hi, look at the little baby. You want a carrot? Hi. Look. Num num. Come here. Here, buddy. Look. Ding dong. Oh my god. Holy crap. Hi. Hi. Come here. Aww. You want carrot? I don't even know. Oh, shit. Come here. Look. Oh, they're scared of me. Hi. You want carrot? Look. Want to try it? Come here. Come here. Come here. Here. Shit. Oh my god. Hi. You're so pretty. Oh, honey. You want that? Here. Son of a bitch. These things are huge. Oh, honey. Hi. The baby ones are scaring me. Hi, honey. Aww. Holy crap. Look at his horns. Can I touch your horn? Careful. Can I touch you? He says, no. Oh my god, you are so big. Hang on. Whoa, whoa. Scaring me. Oh, look at your nose. It's all wet. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Hi. You want the carrot? Freaking horns. Only I would come across this. Oh, sheesh. Looks like a pig kind of, huh? Hi.